So here is how to solve the Find Me Paws new task. So if you come to your end section, you're going to see here, Find Me Paws. So all you need to do is just to click on Start. You'll be redirected to the web page. You select your browser, Chrome. So when you come here, so from where you are going to locate the claim section. So the claim section is here at the top. So you click on claim. So what you need to do here is to tap on the Paws logo. You can see Paws logo here. So you just tap on it. Then you go back to your Telegram. So you come back here, you reload your Telegram. Then here you claim as simple as A, B, C. Do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. More updates coming soon.